Hello! Here is the third in my Beethoven series. Beethoven is visited by a musical instrument maker from London. Beethoven was a lover of nature. He found comfort and inspiration in the presence of fields and forests. In 1823, when Beethoven was 52, he was visited in Vienna by Johann Stumpf, a musical instrument maker who lived in London. Stumpf gives this account of a meeting with Beethoven. Beethoven was fond of talking, and we discussed many subjects, including musical instruments and London society. Beethoven had an exaggerated opinion of London, which he had never visited, and of its highly cultured inhabitants. When Beethoven returned my visit a few days later, he looked gloomy and upset. He was a man of changing moods, and now he was in a despondent state. He complained bitterly of the greedy, grasping attitudes of those with whom he had business dealings. He exclaimed, "Oh, you misers! When will you be satisfied, you filthy skinflints?" Then he said to me, "I must recuperate amid unspoiled nature and cleanse my mind. Would you like to come with me today to visit my unalterable friends, the green shrubs and the aspiring trees, the green hedges and bowers with their murmuring streams? Here there is no envy or competition or dishonesty. Do come, do come." We made for the popular Helenenthal, a parkland in Vienna, the haunt of all classes. On the way, Beethoven spoke of his great works. I told him what a powerful effect his symphonies invariably produced in our concert hall in London, and especially the Pastoral Symphony. "It is a marvel to all," I said, "how a Beethoven can represent the phenomena of nature in tones." Now we were approaching a very romantic place. Tall, ancient, splendid trees raised their crests towards the blue sky. Beethoven sat down on a grassy mound and said to me, "Here the majestic sun is not concealed by any roof made by human hands. Here the sky is my sublime roof." Beethoven gazed up at the sun. He said, "Inspiration must come from above. The spirit must rise from the earth, in which for a time the divine spark is confined." Beethoven accompanied me as far as my carriage, which was to separate me from him in this world. After some silent minutes, Beethoven drew a small scroll of paper out of his breast pocket and said, "Take this drawing, which is intended to represent my face, as a memento." Now Beethoven embraced me in a kind of ecstasy. As a funeral the procession moved towards us. He avoided it and vanished from my sight.